Guys, so I'm again back with another video, and in this video I'm going to share a haul video. Now haul videos are very famous in my channel, and majority like 50 or 60% of the videos that I have posted are all haul videos because I love to shop. Hey guys, I am Maitrayee Halder, and if you are seeing this face for the very first time, and if you like haul videos, and also if you like my content, then you guys should definitely subscribe because I am going to post more haul videos and more skincare videos. And let's get on with my Smytten haul. Smytten is this website where you can try like trial size products or you can buy full size products, but popularly Smytten is famous for their like trial thing policy where you can try 6 different products in like 200 rupees, which gets converted to either 6 more trial points after you receive your delivery or 169 rupees cashback in your wallet. Now I always opt for the 6 more trial things because I love Smytten trials and I get to try this amazing brands for me to share with you guys. It's an epitome of my Indian brand series. So I have a lot of different samples as you guys can see in here. So let me just get this one by one. So apart from shopping samples, I also purchased like full-size products. Now the first product that I ever purchased from Smytten, like first full-size product that I ever purchased, is this hair mask. Now this hair mask I purchased from Amazon, but previously when I purchased from Smytten, it used to come in this tub. And first of all, I tried that hair mask in my Smytten haul, and I mean in my Smytten order, and I really liked it. So this hair mask, if you want to know more about this brand, then you can go ahead and watch this video where I have mentioned all of these amazing brands including this Aranya brand, and you can go ahead and watch that video for you to try more of this Indian brands. So the second product that I purchased from Smytten is this STALK 5% vitamin C water. Now I have again tried it in one of my Smytten samples. I loved it, so I ordered a full bottle. Now this cost about like 425 rupees or 500 rupees, which is a little bit expensive for your toners, but don't treat it as a toner. It's a kind of acid exfoliant. So let me just dive into the samples because there are quite a few. So this brand called Raw Nature, I have already featured it in my Indian brand series. The video link would be in the bottom box below or in the I button right here. So the first one I have is the macadamia shampoo. It's a very good cleansing like shampoo. The second one I have is this volcano green clay face wash, which is really good for oily skin or acne prone skin. It has a light aroma of tea tree. So the next two products are oils. Now the first oil is from this brand known as Sage Apothecary or something like that, if I'm not wrong. This is the onion oil. I have a little bit of this left. I really like this. The only concern I have with this oil, because it is too thick, you need to cleanse your hair like really well with a shampoo brush, or you need to like apply shampoo 2 times for it to remove. Apart from that, it's a great oil. It moisturizes your hair. I don't know about the hair growth part, because for any product to work you need to give it like a month or 2 months of it to actually show it result. So as oil, it's a perfect oil. The second oil that I tried from them is the Sheer Secrets Restorative Scalp Oil. This is an amazing oil. It has a lighter texture than that onion oil, contains onion, curry leaf and neem, which are antibacterial, promotes hair growth, and it's amazing. The next product is again from Sheer Secrets, and this is their toning mist. It contains rose patchouli and caoutchouc, and these are amazing for toning your skin, and it comes in a pretty large bottle, which is perfect for you to carry in your purse. The next I think 3 products are from Aranya. Now I love this brand and I have featured it in my Indian skincare series. So the next 3 products that I wanted to try, first one is this Youth Preserve Night Cream, which contains okra or bhindi. I was skeptical about this ingredient, but when I came across okra and the benefits, I was really shocked, because okra is supposed to hydrate your skin, and it contains, it's kind of this tint kind of a thing, and I am going to indulge more in Okra brand after trying this, because this night cream is a thick cream but not exactly oilier, and any skin type can try this. So this was the first one. And the second one I have is the Vedic lightening cream. Now I don't support lightening or brightening things, but lightening or brightening things, what they usually tend to do is decrease your melanin levels. I was curious about how they formulated it and how it would feel in my skin, and how a greater alternative it would be to traditional fairness creams. If you want a review of this, I can surely do it. And the third product is this Vedic shampoo. It contains biotin and onion oil. Biotin is great for your hair and your nails. Biotin is also a popular supplement. It promotes like healthy hair. I have a 50-50 thought about this. First of all, this shampoo makes your hair like silky smooth, but it doesn't really cleanses your hair that well. The next two products are from this brand called as BioBloom. This was their facial gel scrub. Now this is all finished. It came in a huge tub because I usually use chemical exfoliant and I don't tend to reach physical exfoliant on a normal basis, but this facial scrub was kind of harsh, I have to be honest, so I only used it in my body. So this was the first product. And the second one I have from BioBloom is their face wash for oily and combination skin, and it contains aloe vera, neem and bergamot. So the face wash, I didn't really like it because I don't like neem and tea tree as a ingredient. They don't go with my skin very well. I tend to get rashes, so I generally skipped it. My friend really liked it when she tried it once, so I generally keep it for her. So next brand is Mamaearth. Now I wanted to try their Upton face mask, and my boyfriend really likes it, so I wanted to give it a go. It's a good face mask as for like stimulating your skin. Stimulating face masks really pair well if you use it a night before. I kind of liked it, but I don't understand this huge viral thing that Mamaearth is going through, so I would give it a pass. The next two things are this brand called Ozone. Now this is the jasmine face wash and the jasmine moisturizer. Now in 2020 everybody is making like odorless or fragrance-less or essential oil-less skincare, but fragrance for me is a huge part in skincare. That is what makes me to try more of skincare, and especially I like jasmine fragrances because it's amazing. And this is a little bit heavy on fragrances. If you don't like fragrances, you can skip it, but as a cleanser it's an amazing gel based cleanser. This moisturizer is again great for all skin types. It has this moisturizing, hydrating properties without making your skin oily. So the next product is from this brand known as Shankara. Now I have used it quite a lot, so that's why it's all faded up. And this is the deep cleansing facial cleanser. Now this is in a powder form, and you really need a small amount to cleanse up your skin. It doesn't really mixes well with water. It's kind of this basin cleanser that I made in my DIY video, which you can check it right here. And this is kind of a basic same concept but in a fancy tub. The next product I have is this Kimino matcha. Now I love matcha and I wanted to try this brand. This was again a huge trending brand in Amazon, and I wanted to try their matcha, so first I ordered from them. I have not tried it since, but after making this video I am going to make myself a good cup of matcha. The next product is this hair serum from this company known as Rocky Star. Now this serum is amazing. I would soon purchase a full-size bottle because this serum, first of all, it doesn't contain a fragrance, but it makes your hair silky and shiny without really having your hair. So I really like this serum, and it also comes in a like cute tub which you can carry it in your purse or in your bag or your makeup stash, and it's a perfect little thing. I don't know about you guys, but I really like sample size products because they are cute, they are small, and I really like them. And you get to try a lot of different products in this sample things that every brand has. So I'm down for samples. So this is the Cocoon Men's Face Wash, and I don't really think the gender should be in between your skincare. Both women and men can try it. Like this cleanser because it is great for oily to combination skin types. It cleanses your skin like squeaky clean, and it will not dry out your skin. Dry skin people can skip it, but I really like it. The next product I have is a fragrance. Now this is called November by Aeronaut. Oh my god, I love this perfume. I want to buy a full size after I finish this. I tend to keep it in my purse. Smells amazing. Even after like you have come from a long day, it will be still there. This bottle is also great if you are into carrying perfumes, and this is in a spray bottle. So the next product I have is a vanilla vitamin E cream that I got as a gift for purchasing samples. This is again very thick cream with heavy vanilla notes. Now if you don't like fragrances, skip it, but if you like vanilla and if you like sweets like me, then this would remind you of a chocolate chip cookie, which is decadent. By the way, if you want a quick and easy recipe of chocolate chip cookies, then you can go ahead and check this video where I have made this an amazing chocolate chip cookies, which will be decadent, comforting to try out in this quarantine. So coming on to the product, it contains vitamin E and vanilla, and it is very fragrance heavy. Every time you open the lid, your whole room will be filled with this vanilla fragrance. So if you are not a fan of fragrance, just skip it. So the last 4 products I have from Smytten is from this brand called Just Herbs. Now Just Herbs is an Ayurvedic company, and the first product I have from them is their Lively Clean Honey Exfoliating Face Cleansing Gel. Now this has beads, like walnut shell bead. Wanted to try a cleansing based scrub because I don't tend to use physical scrubs in a normal basis, but once or twice a week I like to use this cleanser to cleanse off my face. This is amazing. It is hydrating, super hydrating, even for dry skin people. The next product I tried from them was really curious from the brand is this Sapta Gel. Translates to like 7 types of water. It's supposed to be an alternative for your normal micellar water. It's supposed to be Ayurvedic and all natural, and so far you can remove like everyday makeup like foundation, lipsticks and everything, but when it comes to liquid liners or waterproof liners or gel liners, it tends to lack a little bit. But if you use like 2 or 3 cotton pads, it would remove. I would not suggest you guys to use this for the eye makeup, but as for a face and as for everyday kind of a look, you can definitely try this Sapta Gel. The next 2 products from Just Herbs are my favorite. Now the first one is the rose water. It comes in a tiny glass bottle, which I really like, and I will buy a full-size bottle of this because this is the most purest form of rose water that I have smelled in a long time. Now this exactly smells like fresh roses, and this is steam distilled, so it's a purest form of rose water that you can ever find. And the last product is this fudge gel from Just Herbs. Now I really like it. There are mixed reviews about this fudge gel. To be precise, this cream has a mild Ayurvedic like earthy scent, and it is this mixture of cream and gel into one. Like if you take aloe vera gel and you mix it with a little bit of cream, the consistency and the feel that you get is exactly for gel. Now for gel is a great day moisturizer. For me it works for both day and night, but I tend to use it in the day if I am not doing anything and I'm indoors. That was everything that I got from Smytten. Was my Smytten haul. This is like new kind of a haul for me because these are all sample size products. Now I have been using Smytten for like past 1 or 2 years. If you guys want more Smytten hauls, because I tend to shop from Smytten a lot for the samples, if you are into the sample kind of an haul, then do let me know in the comment box below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you like more of the haul content and the skincare content that I am putting up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye and take care.